Greetings everyone. In today's tutorial, we will quickly learn how you can block certain websites on Windows 10. It will work on all the browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. We have just tried it, that is in 2021, to make sure it works perfectly if done correctly. So let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
In order to block any sites on Windows 10, simply open this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows, find System32, highlight 1 and press S on the keyboard, open it, then go to Drivers and go to etc. And here's the host file. So to block sites, you need to make some changes to the host file. In order to open the host file, all you need is a notepad. Let's open it. You can simply drag this to Notepad. Some people, however, might have some difficulties opening this host file. Please note, you must be logged in as the administrator and have all the administrative rights. If you do not, then you will not be able to edit this file. Anyway, you can make changes to the host file using simple Notepad or using Notepad++. We suggest using Notepad++ because it's much easier. Additionally, if there are any administrative rights required, Notepad++ itself opens the file in administrative mode, and all you have to do is click on Yes, and that's about it. But if you have no issues with Notepad, you can use it and make the necessary changes and save it. For those who want Notepad++, go to your browser and search for Notepad++. Click on Downloads, click here and choose the required bit format and simply download the installer and install it. Once it is installed, if you right-click on the host file, then you will see Edit with Notepad++. Anyway, so try with Notepad first, and if it had any issues, then try with Notepad++. But please log into your Windows as an admin. Anyway, in this example, let's try blocking a site, maybe twitter.com. So as you can see, it's working all good now. To block this site, all you have to do is copy this and paste it at the bottom. It's also a good idea to write hashtag and some text. So in the future, it will be easier for you to delete it. I'll just write blocking the website. Any line after hashtag will not be implemented. After this, all you have to do is write a website URL, that is twitter.com. Please note, a lot more people just write twitter.com and it may not work, as this happened to us as well. So please write the 4 variations of the website. I'll copy it and paste it and add www in front. Again, copy this and copy the exact URL. You can also remove the trailing slash and again copy this and paste it and add www in front. So with all these variations, you should be able to block the website. You may also input HTTP only if you want. Now you just need to save it. As I mentioned earlier, Notepad++ just makes it a little easier. It is saying me the file could not be saved and it may be protected. Do you want to launch Notepad++ in the administrative mode? All you have to do is click on Yes. So it's all done and save it. Now let's see if it's working or not. So it is not working. Despite everything looks fine. So if it still doesn't work, Try incognito mode. So you know it's working all good. The reason it's not working here is because of the cache. You can also try to hard refresh, but if it does not work, then clear the cache. Simply press Ctrl+H and clear the browsing history. You can clean the past hour, clear data. After this is done, simply try to open the site again. Now you can see it's blocked. So please clear the cache if it did not work. Let me try it in Firefox. Let me go to twitter.com. So it's blocked. All of the sites are working all good. You know, google.com works fine. So is our site. Let me try with Microsoft Edge. Again, it's blocked. While every other site are working fine. So this is how you can block sites using host files. If you want to block another website, all you have to do is copy all this and paste it at the bottom. For example, if it's Facebook, then replace Twitter with Facebook. After making all the changes, simply save it. And let's try opening Facebook. So it's not working on Edge. Not working on Firefox. And it's not working on Chrome either. So you can block the sites as required. However, you might need to hard refresh or clear the cache if it did not work. Now if you want to unblock these sites, you can either delete this all, that's one way, or you can simply write hashtag in front of it. You can also copy this and paste it. And save it. And if you want to block it again, you can just remove these hashtags. Now everything should work all good. So this is how you can block websites on Windows 10 without using extensions but host file. You can work with Notepad or Notepad++, whichever you feel like. Hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you very much.